For 15 years, Simply CNC has been immensely proud in serving educators, providing quality CNC equipment and outstanding technical support. As part of this journey, we are now proud to introduce AEON lasers to our educational clients. We searched the laser marketplace looking for a company that provides quality CO2 laser machines, easy-to-learn software with site licensing for schools, a track record of stellar after-sales support, and most importantly, machines built to ensure both student and teacher safety. From the affordable desktop Mira series to the industrial-grade Nova, Simply CNC has you covered. Each AEON laser education package comes with 4 hours of introductory live stream training for up to 8 attendees with our resident laser guru, David Logan. Lifetime support for both software as well as machine operation, and as always, machines are shipped to your door at no additional cost. Contact us today and let us help you on your laser journey.